Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to design a sauce landing page hero banner in Photoshop. Start by creating a white canvas that matches modern sauce landing page dimensions. Now choose a clean gradient background that reflects a premium tech brand identity. Now add a soft glow layer to give the hero section a futuristic and high value look. Insert geometric shapes to build the hero layout structure. Place a mock-up of dashboard or analytics card in the center. Now adjust its shadow to create smooth realism. Add a headline text using modern source style font. Create a small subheading with soft opacity for a neat